Hey guys, how's it going? It's me here, Cool Cat. On I don't know. Anyways, that lady. Hey, wasn't there used to be like a sign here? Anyways, there. I am so close to 10 diamonds. Yep. Does anyone else wait? I feel like some. Does anyone else realize that the pets are in a total different thing, area? I'm gonna plan my name. I'm gonna be 洗澡。啥？洗？洗澡。哎，none of these. Ooh, mystical. Temple. No, probably be temple master. Oh, 你玩的，快起来，快点起来！ Cool Daisy Daring. Gross Hiking Icy. I like those mythical legend names. Raining. Rainy Stone. There. Mythical Rainy Stone. Ooh, my awesome name. People always told me this worked. The daily spin to get diamonds. Click on every diamond bush. And then you click on every diamond on the floor. And then click on this. And then the next time you log in, you should be able to get diamonds, something like that. I never tried that. Or they told me to do this. Something like that. Anyway. Ever realized I'm not talking and there's still sound? Anyways. What to do. Anyways, so I'm gonna be getting an eagle in 1 week, which is something or earlier. But so far so good. Oh, and has any of you got mysteriously, I don't know, banned? Because I just did. And I haven't been on for 2 days because I just logged in and said this count is. Wait, no, I have to. This count is currently suspended, something like that. Oh, so weird. So I have it for 2 days. And yeah, it is a really good content. Oh, and you know those places that jammers never go? I was thinking that we could list all of them for HHQ, from the most popular to the least popular places. It could be like a building, or it could be like an area. and then like they could like somehow make the place better, so like more cameras will go there. And yeah, so that's it for today, guys. Bye. I just realized that that used to be a medical center.